guys, welcome back. I'll be unboxing a little basketball game. So, I have this, of course, and we need this. And I have this, the board. So I gotta put this in, like that. And I have this for the ball. And then I have the basketballs in here. So what you could do is you put the balls in here. I think you do one at a time, I'm not really sure. And you could shoot it. And then fix the... I'm still getting used to this game. I have something like this. I think you used one exactly like that. Yeah, kind of like that, but a little bit lighter. So you have it, and you try to, and I'll have to get used to it. It's kind of hard. So hard. Probably because it has to start on the top of the ball. I don't really know. Yeah, so you kind of shoot it like that. I think it was like when that comes up, you kind of like do it. Something like that. I don't know. Yeah, like that. And I made a shot. Let me get the yellow ball. Got the yellow ball. So you kind of do that. What I just did to make that shot. That one pretty high. So you don't want to do it that hard or else it's going to go fly. So you just want to do it lightly. Like that. I made a shot. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.